Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make an underwater photo shoot of yourself using Google Gemini. Add in your picture and make sure you select the create images tool here. Sorry, let me just put the photo back. This is the prompt that you'll be using. I will put it in the description box as usual, so don't you worry. Press submit and it's going to generate the picture. Just going to wait for this to generate. Just a second. Well, hurry. This is what it should look like at the end. Super cool, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Why did I say answer like that? And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!